Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a clean with me, so make sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and make sure the bell notification is on because that will notify you every single time I have an upload. Today we are cleaning up after Christmas. I did take the Christmas decor down because I was getting a lot of anxiety from it. I don't know, I just felt really claustrophobic with all of that clutter lying around, so I just took it down like the day after Christmas. And I wanted it out of the house. So today is all about getting rid of clutter and just organizing the house so this anxiety can go away. Okay, so we are starting in the kitchen. I am obviously beginning with my sink. I think a clean kitchen sink is so important. And once you get that done, everything else is like so easy. And it's also a little bit motivating, like you don't have anything in the sink to clean, and it's kind of like making your bed every morning. It just makes you a lot more motivated to get everything else done. So I am just using a mix of Mrs. Meyer's baking soda and just their basic like dishwashing soap, and I am scrubbing down the sink, and then I'm using some water and rinsing that down the drain and wiping up all the water that kind of escaped the sink. And yeah. Okay, so now I'm just going to begin wiping down the counters and the mirrors. I am using the Mrs. Meyer's antibacterial spray, and then I'm just using the Method glass cleaner for the mirror. Okay, so now I am just gonna go ahead and vacuum the floor. I'm using my Dyson V10, and this thing is so amazing, you guys. You have to go out and get it. I got it at I think they had like a Black Friday deal on this, and I have not regretted it since. It's so much better than my Shark. I was amazed. And then after that, I am going to go ahead and mop with my steam mop. I got this from Bissell, just from Amazon. And it really is amazing. It dries the floors so quickly too. And you do have to go a little bit slower with this because otherwise it won't sanitize the floors. After that, I'm heading into the living room. I am cleaning up all of the fluff from Alice's toys as usual. And then just picking up here and there, and then I will vacuum again.
Looking to throw me around, but I'll be holding on forever. searching for a reason. Came out looking to throw me around, but I'll be holding on forever. You won't bring me
And now moving into the dining room, I'm just going to go ahead and take everything off of the table, wipe the table down, and then vacuum as well. Just basically what I did in the living room, in the dining room.
this time, you would have to burn me down. Yeah, you would have to burn me down. Down.
Now into the bathroom, I'm just gonna go ahead and take everything off. This is an area that gets a lot of traffic. I do my hair in here, my makeup in here, so I just go ahead and take everything off, put them back in their places, and then wipe everything down. It's amazing. I do this about once a week, if not every night, and it's amazing how dirty the bathroom gets. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do this, and then do a little bit of the mirror, and then as well as the floor and the toilet.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna light it up tonight. We gonna light it up tonight. We gonna light it up just like the sunrise. We gonna light it up.
And then one thing I try to do once a week is sanitize my tools. So my tweezers, my nail clippers, all of that. So I will sanitize it with a little bit of bleach and water, and I will leave it for about 10 minutes. In the meantime, I headed into the bedroom. I went to and made my bed, and then I just cleaned up. I do have a couple boxes and things I need to take to the trash, and I also have to find the pillow covers for those pillows in the corner, but other than that, I think I did a good job in here.
Can't turn back now. We know that there's no room for doubt. No, we can't turn back now. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna light it up tonight. We gonna light it up tonight. We gonna light it up just like the sunrise. We gonna light it up.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please subscribe and like the video, and also share it with somebody you want to share some cleaning motivation with. I'll see you guys in my next one, and thank you. Bye.
Has got me so messed up, don't ignore